Alright, what's up everybody? Back at y'all. I'm going ahead and upload this video on, I guess, on whatever day Saturday. So, I'm going ahead and we're going to do another project. So, I already have a backup camera on this car. And it come and find out when I try to put it in reverse, it doesn't work. So apparently when that person put it on the car, it never connected. So I went ahead and bought the stuff to connect the backup camera light or backup camera to the aftermarket stereo, which I'm eventually going to replace. So I'm going to ahead and get that connected and see how all this turns out. It's a lot of, probably not hard, but it's a lot of stuff to take off. So let's get started. Alright, so gotta take that out and here it is, not connected at all. Alright, so this is according to this plan so far. It's a little bit more work to it. So as you come across this area right here, you can see I had to pop that off. So whenever you pop that off, you want to put something under, like a flat head or one of those pop-ups. You just put them right up in here and just lift up this way. This over here, you just you want to start off by taking off these right here. You put a flat head right in here and just move it gently, and it will come right out very easily. And so take that off. This part will slide right out once you get that in, and then you head to your reverse light. So once you put that in there, you get to the wires. So I will make that as the next step and show you where you need to go from there. So I already set the new one in there. I used the coat hanger to get it all the way through. And you can see that, angle that a little bit better. I put the new one in, looks a lot better, it's clean. So, I do have this. I did take the bulb out. What I have to do is wire this up to there, and then I already have the trigger wires connected right here. So, this part right here, you would connect it to the other one, you run it through the car and to the stereo system. So, alright. Alright, so it was a success. I finally got it all set up, already set and done. I had to wire these live wires into, there was 2 live wires, I have to wire it into it, separate the wires, going from there. So it was a lot easy, well, a little bit more challenge, but it's still an easy project to do. As we head up into the front, I had to do, before I get everything put back together, I did do a test. So I turned the car like halfway on and like just put it in reverse and see if it backs up, and it does have it. So that's really good. So as you can see how I have those wires right there connected. And then what you want to do is, like, if you have the Kenwood 370DX or something like that, you just put it towards the second there's 3 of the the red, white, and yellow. So you want to put the yellow one on the second one, not the first one, for it to go through. So, alright everybody, I got everything put back together. The trunk and everything's down. Everything's looking really good. So, get back in the car, make sure after I put everything together, I didn't loosen a wire or anything like that. So I just want to make sure. Alright, whoops, got something in the eye. Oh, I don't want to turn on the car. So, let's take a look and see how it's gonna work. Okay, so just push this. And turn on, obviously. And it works. It's perfect. Alright, so I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. And subscribe and turn on your notification. Also, give it a lot of likes, please, likes, which will help my video. So give it a lot of likes. Turn on your notification to get more more update with more video contents coming soon. So I didn't think of course I didn't think I was gonna put one out for this past Tuesday, but you know, I went ahead and had the time to go ahead and put another one before I leave for my trip. So alright guys, deuces.